In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Flemish not on Google Translate. We will work with the options that actually exist, so you can still translate Flemish text without running into dead ends or confusing menus. First, a quick clarification so what you see on screen makes sense. Flemish is not listed as its own language in Google Translate. When you open the language list, you will not find Flemish anywhere. Instead, Google Translate only offers Dutch, which is the standard written language used in both the Netherlands and most of Belgium. Flemish is really a group of Dutch dialects, so Google puts it all under Dutch rather than separating it out as a different language. Now open Google Translate. On a computer, go to the Google Translate page in your browser, and you should see two main boxes side by side. On a phone or tablet, open the Google Translate app, and you will see two panels, one for the language you are putting in, and one for the language you want to get out. If the app asks for basic permissions, allow what you need so it can function normally. Once Google Translate is open, select Dutch as the source language. On desktop, click the language name above the left text box, then scroll until you see Dutch. On mobile, tap the language label at the top of the left side, then choose Dutch from the list. After you pick it, the left language label should clearly show Dutch, which tells you Google will now treat whatever you type as Dutch, including Flemish dialect. With that ready, download Dutch. This part only matters in the mobile app. Tap the small download icon next to Dutch in the language list. The app might show the file size and ask to confirm. Once the download finishes, you will see Dutch listed with a check mark or a filled icon. That means you can translate Flemish text in Dutch even when you are offline, which is useful if you travel or have poor reception. Next up, type the Flemish text, tap into the left text box, or click it if you are on a computer, and start entering your Flemish sentence or paragraph. You can paste text here as well. As you type, you may notice Google sometimes autocorrects spellings towards standard Dutch. That is normal because the system is trained on Dutch, but it will still handle typical Flemish words and phrasing. After that, choose your target language. Look at the right side of the screen, where the output language is shown. Click or tap that language name, then pick the language you want to translate into, for example, English, French, or German. As soon as you select it, the label above the right side will update to your chosen language. Finally, view the translation. Your translated text will appear in the right box almost instantly, and it will update live if you change the original Flemish text. On mobile, you can also tap the play icon to hear it spoken, or tap to copy the translation for use in another app. You have now learned how to translate Flemish text in Google Translate by using Dutch as the source language. If this helped you get clearer translations from Flemish, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more simple language tips.